may tanong ako. Okay? Kung obvious na ang diagnosis, kailangan pa ba ang gold standard lab? So maraming clinicians ang sasagot, hindi na siguro. Okay? Pero ito ang totoo. PhilHealth doesn't pay for the obvious. PhilHealth pays for evidence. Sa totoo lang, maraming claim ngayon ang nafa-flag, nadi-deny, or nare-return kasi kulang ang ebidensya. Hindi kulang yung gamot. Okay? Hindi kulang ang pag-alaga. Kulang po ang documentation. Specifically, gold standard labs. So, ito po. Gold standard tests are just not for confirmation. They are your clinical receipt. Yan ang resibo na nagsasabing, yes, I did it right. Yes, may basis ang diagnosis. Yes, may proof ang treatment decision. Again po, resibo ninyo yan. Pero ano ang nangyayari sa realidad? Okay, ganito, di ba? Kulang sa budget ang patient. So, obvious naman na pneumonia ito. So, hindi kailangan ng x-ray. Okay? Result, wala hong lab, wala hong claim, walang bayad. Let's be clear. PhilHealth doesn't want, okay, to know what you think. Okay? Ang gusto niya is kung paano mo napatunayan yung sakit. At kung wala kang gold standard documentation, kahit patama ho ang diagnosis mo, okay, yung claim mo kulang. It will fall short. The worst po ito. You will not even know na kasalanan mo. Okay? You will blame the encoder. Sisihin mo pa nga yung dealer eh. Then, sabihin natin problema pa ng system. Pero ang kulang pala is yung diagnostic proof na ikaw lang ang pwedeng mag-order at ikaw lang po as a doctor ang pwedeng mag-record. So, ano ang dapat natin gawin? Ito, make sure that the gold standard labs, okay, are part of your diagnostic pathway. Okay? Document clearly in the chart. Ano po yung test, ano yung result, at ano yung interpretation. Kung hindi magawa ang test, state it why. Ito po make it solid and justifiable. So, you train your department, you educate new residents, don't leave it to chance. Because at the end of the day, documentation is your income. It protects your hospital and it will protect you. Okay? Now, like ho and share this video sa Viber group ng department ninyo. Kung maaari, subscribe for weekly tips on how to avoid audit and how to maximize reimbursement. Huwag kalimutan, gold standard labs, these are not optional. They are essential. And now, you know why. This is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.